Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth and Mars crashed into each other? I know it sounds crazy, but let's imagine it for a second. What if one day the planets just decided to play bumper cars in space? Okay, so let's start with some cool facts. Earth is like 6,371 kilometers wide, and Mars is about half that size. If they collided, it would be the biggest explosion ever. It would release more energy than a billion nuclear bombs going off all at once. Everything on Earth would shake, like when you accidentally knock over a stack of Legos. Mountains would crumble, oceans would splash all over the place, and cities would go boom. Scientists say that the chances of Earth and Mars colliding are super tiny, like 0.0000001%. After the big crash, things would get really weird. Mars is super cold, like minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Brr. If parts of it mixed with Earth, we'd have crazy weather. Imagine snow in the summer and deserts turning into ice rinks. Scientists think all life on Earth might not survive, but maybe some tough little creatures like tardigrades could hang on. Tardigrades are tiny creatures that can survive in space, and they're super cool. But what if Earth and Mars became one giant planet? Let's call it Marth. Marth would be a mix of red deserts from Mars and blue oceans from Earth. Maybe we'd need to live in cool space cities because the ground would be too unstable. But you know what? Space is full of surprises. There are so many mysteries out there, and Earth and Mars colliding is just one wild idea. Scientists are always watching the skies to make sure we're safe. But it's fun to imagine, right? Maybe one day we'll travel to Mars and see it up close. Until then, let's keep dreaming and exploring the wonders of space. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love space stuff as much as I do. See you next time, Space Explorers.